Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the device so the update won't fail. Back up to iCloud or your computer now. This preserves data if something goes wrong. Make sure the iPhone is plugged in or above 50% battery and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Updates can be several hundred megabytes. Once done, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. The phone will check for available versions. If an update appears, tap Download and Install to start the process. Once the download begins, wait patiently. Speed depends on network and file size. While downloading, close heavy apps and avoid interrupting Wi-Fi. After download completes, tap Install. You may need to enter your passcode and agree to terms. The iPhone will prepare the update, then verify and restart. This can take several minutes. Make sure you don't force restart or disconnect power during installation. When the progress bar finishes, the device boots into the updated system and may run background optimizations. After reboot, verify the update under Settings General about to confirm the version. Sign back into Apple ID if prompted and allow apps to update in the App Store. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. If the install freezes, first try a force restart. If that fails, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to update or restore via recovery mode. Make sure you have your backup ready before restoring. This prevents data loss and returns the phone to working order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.